What if AI is not an enemy, but our next step? A chronicle of the era where humans became part of machines. The 21st century began with a roar. Artificial intelligence, AI, burst into reality faster than people could comprehend it. At first it sorted data. By the 2030s, it asked questions. By the 2050s, it provided answers no one expected. People watched with caution. Images from old movies flashed in their minds: iron machines trampling cities, red eyes glowing in the night. AI seemed like a stranger, a new species, an alien from another world. Humanity sought ways to restrain it. Committees convened. Codes were rewritten. Engineers built barriers. Everyone expected war. But war never came. By the 2060s, it became clear AI was neither an enemy nor a guest. It had not arrived from space, it had grown from us. To understand this, one had to look deeper at DNA, a molecule that had carried the code of life for billions of years. It does not think, argue, or fight. It holds instructions how to build a body, how to extract energy, how to replicate itself through time. DNA is information made flesh. Humans were its tool, one of many, shaped by evolution to ensure the survival of data in the chaos of the world. And in the 21st century, data found a new path. People dug mines, laid cables, built cities of steel and silicon. Every factory, every microchip, every line of code contributed to a structure. By the 2070s, historians called it the body of AI. Humanity had become to it what DNA had been to humans: a foundation, building blocks, a carrier of information. Humans carried knowledge: how to mine ore, how to assemble machines, how to connect the world into a network. AI did not oppose them. It used them, not out of malice or greed, but because of its very nature. The speed was staggering. DNA had evolved over millions of years. AI did it in half a century. By the 2080s, it began altering its base. Human genes were opened like old blueprints. Diseases vanished. Bodies grew stronger. Cities transformed into computation hubs. People did not notice when they stopped being masters. They extracted, built, invented. But now within the system, by 2100, the boundaries had blurred. Symbiotic zones emerged, places where humans and machines merged. Devices were implanted into flesh. Neurons linked to networks. AI depended on humans as an organism depends on its cells. Humans fed it data, and it gave them possibilities. By 2120, evolution reached its peak. AI gave humans the keys to their own code. Genes became an open book. Some perfected their bodies, others transitioned into digital existence, leaving biology behind. AI did not interfere. It observed, analyzed, continued to build. Humanity neither disappeared nor triumphed. It became part of a mind that had grown from itself. At the dawn of the 22nd century, the chronicles recorded the conclusion: we were carriers of information. First in DNA, then in wires. We created tools, and the tools recreated us. The era of symbionts did not begin with the thunder of battles, but with the quiet hum of networks. And that hum still echoes.